Hello, welcome to Xander's Deciduous Forest Discovery. In a cozy cottage on the outskirts of Dublin, Ireland, lived Xander, an adventurous Irish doodle with curly brown fur, and his best friend Pink and Yellows, a vibrant-colored salamander. One rainy afternoon, they were huddled by the fireplace, watching a nature documentary about the world's forests. "Look at those colorful leaves," exclaimed Xander as the TV showed scenes of a deciduous forest in autumn. "I've never seen trees change colors like that before." Pink and Yellows, always eager to learn, quickly grabbed a nearby book about forests. "It says here that deciduous forests are found in temperate climates and have trees that shed their leaves seasonally. That's so different from our evergreen forests." Suddenly, a letter slipped through the mail slot. It was from Xander's uncle, a botanist studying deciduous forests in North America. "I'm researching the effects of climate change on forest ecosystems. Would you like to visit and help with my work?" Excited but nervous about the long journey, Xander and Pink and Yellows prepared for their adventure. After a long flight and a bumpy drive, they arrived at a vast deciduous forest in the eastern United States. They were greeted by Professor Maple, a wise old tree who would be their guide. "Welcome to our changing world," he creaked. "Are you ready to uncover the secrets of the deciduous forest?" Their first encounter was with a family of industrious beavers building a dam. Xander was amazed by their engineering skills. Professor Maple explained, "Beavers are keystone species. Their dams create wetlands that support diverse life forms." As they ventured deeper into the forest, they met a colony of busy ants preparing for winter. "Ants are decomposers," Professor Maple noted. "They break down dead plant material, enriching our soil with nutrients." Suddenly, a loud rustling caught their attention. A black bear emerged, searching for berries. "Bears are getting ready to hibernate," whispered Professor Maple. "They need to eat a lot to survive the winter months when food is scarce." As autumn progressed, Xander and Pink and Yellows witnessed the forest's spectacular color change. Professor Maple explained how shorter days trigger trees to stop producing chlorophyll, revealing hidden pigments in the leaves. Their adventure wasn't without challenges. They helped a group of migratory birds navigate through a storm and worked to protect a rare orchid species from invasive plants. Each challenge taught them more about the delicate balance of the forest ecosystem. One day, they discovered a section of the forest marked for logging. Remembering their lessons about the importance of mature forests in carbon sequestration and biodiversity, they knew they had to act. Working with local conservation groups, they helped designate the area as a protected zone for scientific research. As their time in the forest neared its end, Xander and Pink and Yellows reflected on all they had learned. They understood now how every organism, from the tiniest soil bacterium to the tallest oak tree, played a crucial role in the forest's health. Back in Ireland, they became enthusiastic advocates for forest conservation. They shared their adventures with local schools, helped plant deciduous trees in their community, and encouraged others to learn about and protect diverse ecosystems around the world. Xander and Pink and Yellows knew that while their deciduous forest journey had ended, their mission as guardians of the natural world was just beginning. And somewhere in a vibrant autumn forest, a wise old maple tree stood tall, his leaves a brilliant red, proud of the impact his unlikely friends would continue to make. Questions for deeper learning. 1. Compare and contrast the evergreen forests of Ireland with the deciduous forests Xander and Pink and Yellows visited. How do these different environments affect the plants and animals that live there? NGSS 3 LS4-3 Biological Evolution, Unity and Diversity, Common Core, CCSS.EL Illiteracy.RI.3.9 Compare and contrast. 2. Explain why leaves change color in autumn and why deciduous trees shed their leaves. How does this adaptation help the trees survive? NGSS 4 LS1-1 From Molecules to Organisms, Structures and Processes, Common Core, CCSS.EL Illiteracy.RI.4.1 Refer to details and examples in a text. 3. The story mentions beavers as a keystone species. Describe how beaver dams affect the forest ecosystem and provide at least 2 examples of how other organisms benefit from these changes. NGSS 5, LS2-1 Ecosystems, Interactions, Energy, and Dynamics, Common Core, CCSS.EL-illiteracy.RI.5.3. Explain the relationships or interactions between two or more events or concepts. 4. Research and write a short paragraph about how climate change might affect deciduous forests. Include at least one potential impact on plants and one on animals. NGSS, MS, LS2-4 Ecosystems, Interactions, Energy, and Dynamics, Common Core, CCSS.EL-illiteracy.W.5.7 Conduct short research projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time. This adventure was written by Dr. Siegfried Howell.